Hello and welcome. Today I want to share with you how to create a professional email signature using WiseStamp, which will help you grow your business and your ministry online. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back. I'm Tamira Wilson. And if this is your first time joining me, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're on YouTube, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my latest releases. All right. So let's get into this. How many of you have boring email signatures? Or maybe you receive emails and the person sending you an email has boring email signatures. But what is an email signature? An email signature is basically a digital card, which is located at the footer of your email. So I want to share with you a few statistics and 3 of my top benefits of creating or having an email signature. So some of the statistics: 73% of millennials want businesses to communicate through email. More than 50% of United States respondents check their personal emails more than 10 times a day. 59% of individuals say that their purchase decisions are highly influenced by marketing emails. There are approximately 281 billion emails that were sent and received every day, and that number is expected to grow by, it's expected to grow by 333 billion globally by 2022. You know what that means? You need to have an email signature makeover. Now, let me share with you my top benefits of having an email signature. Number 1, it looks professional and trustworthy. I mean, your email signature is the first thing that you communicate with someone whenever someone sends you an email or you basically send them an email. You know, most people are more inclined to open up an email that has a picture or, some kind of signature at the bottom explaining who they are, what they do, and so forth, versus opening up an email with someone that doesn't have a face on their profile and the like. So number 2, it makes it easy for companies and new customers to access information about you. And the 3rd benefit is because you can grow your business and your ministry. You're probably thinking, how can an email signature grow your business or your ministry online? Well, I'm going to show you right now. So let me share my screen. Okay, I'm going to share my screen real quick. All right, so here we go. So I want to share with you WiseStamp. WiseStamp is basically it's an app that you can connect to your Gmail, and I have it connected to my Chrome extension up in the corner. It's a Chrome extension, but you can access it through there, or you can access it through your Gmail account. So once you sign up for it, it's free. They do have a pro version, but to get started, you don't need to pay anything at all. All right. And it integrates, like I said, with Gmail. It integrates with Outlook, Yahoo Mail, G Suite, and Office 365. So let me just show you real quick. Here's an example of my signature, my email signature, which is located at the footer part of my Gmail account. Okay. It has a picture of me. It has my name, what I do, a link to my website, my email, and all of my social media links. Okay. Now, let me just walk you through what you can do with this. So starting off, I'm in my details right here. Click on details, and then you can put your name, put your title, put the name of your company, your phone number, if maybe your business phone number, of course. And a quick tip, if you don't want to give out your personal phone number, you can use Google Voice and have a free number with that. Okay. You got that for free just for being here, but most people know that, and that's in business. You put your, like I said, your phone number, mobile number, your website. Let me close this right here. Hey, it's like they're giving you a Black Friday sale, 50% off the premium email. Okay, and then you can add your email, your business address, and so forth. You can add fields. It'll say add a field, and you can choose whatever you want. So moving on to the social, you can enter all of your links to your social media platforms, whichever ones that you want to add. I added my Facebook, my LinkedIn, Twitter. You can do, for your YouTube channel, Google Plus. I don't even know if people use Google Plus anymore, but I know a lot of people do. That's how you can add your links. And you can get your links, of course, going to your social media. So what I did was I created a Word document and just put all of my social media links so that I will always have access to it. I know where it is, so I don't have to keep going to all these different social media platforms to look for my URL for each platform. So that's another tip for you. Keep all of your social media links in one place so that you can easily access it. So also, I'm going to move over to the templates. On the free version, you can have different templates. So mine is on the classic. So the horizontal template looks like this. Do you see this? I don't know if you can notice anything, but there is a slight difference. Here's a classic, and then here's the horizontal. And then they have a classic 2019. And then on the pro templates, I don't have the pro because I didn't necessarily think that I need that right now. I'm doing just fine without it. This is what the wide template looks like. Here's a compact. Here's social. Now this template, as you can see, it lists all your social down in a list form. Then they have a stacked template. That one's nice. Then they have a strip template. That one's nice too. They have on the right side. That means you see how they put my picture on the right side instead of the left. That's a different format. This one is in the center, or you can do a top bar one. That's different. And you can have a corporate template. And then they have a footer, a different type of footer template. So those are all the templates that you have access to in the Pro. And then as I showed you before, you have the 3 templates in the free plan. All right. So I'm going to switch it back to the classic for me. And then on the design, you just basically can change the colors, your template colors. You can change it. There's not much. I have a basic one, but if you had used one of the other templates, you can change the colors. All right. Your images. You can make your image square or round. See how my image turned round? You can have it kind of curved a little bit. The details, there's a lot of stuff that you can do. They have labels, direction, the separator, text colors, and things like that. Your social icons, that's on the Pro. You can change the different style that you want. or the shape of your social media icons. You can make it round and so forth. Same thing. You can change the size of it. And then you can match it with a template color. And again, I'm not on the pro version, so you know, I'm just showing you what you can do on the pro plan. You can have a decorative line as well. So those are all the things you can do with that. Another cool feature is you can add quotes. You see how I added a quote here, which I haven't updated this in a while, so it's actually time for me to update it, because as your business changes and evolves, you're going to change different things on every aspect of your business. And I'm about to change this. I'm probably going to delete that quote. Some people say, you know, you shouldn't put quotes on your email signature. Some people say it's nice to have it. So it depends on what you want. Basically, it depends on how you want to run your business, because it's your business, and you can do however you want. But they say not to put like personal quotes, but what difference does it make to me if you're using a personal quote versus someone else's quote? But anyway, you can enhance your signature by adding things like, you see how you can add these different styles, like a sign off, which I really like. You can do kind regards, you have your name, or you can custom, you can say however you want, sincerely or something like that. I think that's pretty cool. I'm going to hit cancel, but I'm going to add that probably. You can add all kind of different disclaimers, as you can see. Confidentiality. I won't say that word because, YouTube might think I'm talking about the other V word. You can have a non-binding disclaimer, personal opinions, correct recipient, and customer disclaimer. I think that's pretty cool right there. You can, like I said, add a green footer. Please consider your environmental responsibility. There's so many different things you can do. And look, you have choices for even a green footer. Do you really need, or printing kills trees, or don't print this and save a tree, kill a beaver? Like, really? Okay. So many different things you can do. You can even add your, instead of me clicking it, you can just look on my screen. You can add your video to YouTube. You can have an Instagram gallery to bring in all of your latest posts from Instagram, which is nice if you're on Instagram. You can have call to action buttons. Look, you can have an online scheduler. You see how it showed up right there? It says book a meeting. You can have people book a meeting with you from your email signature. How cool is that, right? You can even have an online payment button straight from your email. You can use that for if you're doing a virtual seminar. You can do it if you have a course or a one-on-one session. You can add a payment button or to your course, or whatever case may be. You can have your social buttons at the bottom, which is really nice. You can have a pre-designed banner. As you can see how that is. That looks nice. You can upload your own personal banner, custom banner. You can add custom buttons. If you're having a sales event, maybe you're in an e-commerce, maybe you sell t-shirts or something, you can have a sale event, and hey, Black Friday is coming up. You can do a little Black Friday sale. That's pretty cool. Hey, I might put that on my email. I better hurry up. You can have HTML code. You can give feedback, right? Where people can rate your service. You can add video conference, like a link to your Zoom. You can have a link for people to join your webinar. On a particular topic, you can have people join your webinar on a particular subject matter. You can have people join your newsletter. You can tell people to download an app. If you have an app, you can tell them to download it from Google Play or from the iStore. You can have people download an app. If you have an app, you can have them download it from Google Play or from, your iApp, from the App Store, right? Look, you can even have people download an app. If you have your own personal app, you can have a link at the bottom telling them to download your app, whether it's on Google Play or on Apple. I think that's pretty nice too. And you can post a job offer. Look, when you get to the point when you start, when you need to hire people and delegate work to someone else, outsourcing, you can post a link in your email signature saying, hey, we're hiring. Are you ready for the challenge? Look at this. How awesome is that? That is so awesome. So there are different things that you can do. I'm going to go back in here and update mine, play around with it and think figure out what I can use. I can probably add a link to my courses, discounts that I'm going to have on my courses. And by the way, you can do this. You can do this. So there you have it. I think I'm going to add a styled sign off for now, just to update it. So I'm going to add that to mine. So once you add something, you just hit add. And then it will tell you to update your signature. And then you have to refresh your Gmail after that. All right. You have to refresh your Gmail and it will refresh it. And then that's it. Okay. So there you have it. I hope that this video has helped you, and I hope that it stirred some wheels in your mind and ideas on how you can use your email signature to boost traffic to your website or to any of your products and services, add your YouTube links and all different things on the free plan. Now, again, there's some limitations on the free plan, but to just get started, and even if you've been in business for a while, you probably never even heard of this email signature. So hats off to my NSA peeps, National Speakers Association. That's where I learned about this wonderful tip. I think this is an awesome tool, business tool, to present yourself more professionally. So check it out, go test it, play around with it, and I hope that it will help increase your visibility and your branding online. Okay, so give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and if there's another email service that you use for your email signature, type it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. All right, so until next time, be blessed and stay healthy. Take care.